How to get $10 Uber coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna see the search box. Type in Uber coupon code and search for it. With that, you're gonna find different website options. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working coupon code for Uber. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, grab on. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deal and offer. You can see that 50% off, 25% off, $25 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, click on the offer, you will get the code. Now I can copy the code and click on continue to store. You will be directed to the official website of Uber. Now I can log into your account, book your ride, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your ride. With that, you will get the discount in your ride. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber. Also, make sure to go through these websites, as these websites will also provide a working coupon code for Uber. This way you can easily get $10 Uber working coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.